Alright, I just bought this machine vise here a month or two back, and I'm just now looking at it, and it's supposed to be, some shop went under. It's supposed to be a like new vise. It's dirty. They haven't drilled holes in it yet, so that's a plus. But being like new, it doesn't look like it right now. I just opened up to clean it, and it wouldn't turn very easy by hand. So as you rotate this, you can hear it. You can see how the screw cover is going up and down. Also watch the jaw as it moves back and forth here as you do this. Obviously the screw's bent. Don't know how much clearance is in this. Oh, there you go. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's not going to be a secure unit. So my vise over here, which is getting to be a little worn out after 40 years or 35 years, whatever hell years it's been. I brought some other tools too. I like this one, it's nice and old. Looks like a wood handle, but it's steel. That's really old. A Waltworth or something like that it says. Hard to tell. Wort number 2. Anyway, oh shit, that ain't moving. That was some other stuff I bought. I keep forgetting. I keep buying crap. This is full of cutters. Alright, I'll have to get to my vise. It says my vise. I don't remind my vise unscrewing like that. Mine still screws nice and evenly. It doesn't flop up and down like that other one. Yeah, see, mine doesn't lift up. I didn't recall mine moving up at a... It's got clearance, you can hear it. And it's just lead screw moving. Yeah, it doesn't lift up like that. I didn't think it did. Yeah, there's a... That's not good. Yeah, see, these vices all look like they're good stuff, and then you get them and you find out they're garbage. So that means I paid way too much money for it, because these things go for hundreds of dollars. It definitely was not a brand on it, because I didn't see any name on it. So I didn't give him what he wanted for it, but I gave a lot for it. Yeah. That's not going to be very accurate when you clamp stuff down. It goes up like that. So, yeah, if I knew that when I bought it, I would have done that. But, I was buying stuff and I was, kind of injured. So, in pain. Healing. You don't think that good. So I screw my camera there. There we go. Fix my camera. Somebody dicking with it. Ugh. Well, that goes up and down really free. There, put a drag on it. Alright, so now I'm trying to figure out how to get this thing apart. Because obviously it needs to come apart to be fixed. I don't know if you can fix it either, but attempt to. We're going to assume it's metric. I'd be shocked if it wasn't metric. First thing to do, we take apart the vice jaws. See if there's some hidden stuff in here. Interrupted. I'll be back.